Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to exit maintenance mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to device care and then tap on it and then scroll down to the bottom and you can see here we have additional care, this section, and in this section you can see here we have maintenance mode. So just tap on it and then tap on exit, this button, and here we have this pop-up, your phone needs to restart to exit maintenance mode. Okay, so just tap on restart, this button, provide your pin pattern or password. So let me do that. Okay, so it's restarting and exiting the maintenance mode. Okay, so we need to wait. Okay, let me unlock my phone. So it's starting, and now you can see guys, we have successfully exited the maintenance mode. You can't see the maintenance mode tag over here. Okay, you can see guys. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.